for this style, get your wrap, fold it in half. Make sure always have your ends even. This one, stick some little pieces that I have hanging out. Pull those out if you want. And make sure like these wraps are like, they have give, you know? You don't need to stretch the shit out of them or anything like that. Just like relax, like just have it on there very regular where it feels secure on your head. And then tie it in, make it secure. In this situation, for myself, I like to have my ears out. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out right now. This is also an opportunity to see if your wrap is snug enough for you. Make sure to try and keep it closer to the front of your head because at the end, we will be pushing it back. Today, we're gonna do a little top knot. This one, you can keep it, I wanna kinda go around the bottom of my bun a little bit, so I'm gonna let it spread open. You can also, if you prefer, twist it and do it this way. I can show you both, but okay, I'll show you with it twisted first. So here's twisted. Just twist it, bring it to the back, tighten it, and then you can bring it back around and then tuck it like in this top area. Tuck it in the top. And then adjust your bun. That's with the sides rolled. And I'll show you with it like a wider version. So I'll just untuck those sides. And so we're starting where we were, right here in the front. But with this style, if you're wanting to like cover more of your bun, just widen it right there, don't twist it. Same thing on this side. And then when you bring it to the back, do the same thing and just tie it. And then just bring it back to the front and tuck and hide. So for this side, it's a little easier to tuck on top. So I'm tucking that, just hiding it. Go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these back because I don't like the way they're sitting. So just tuck them at the top of your wrap and hide them. Easy fix. So boom, there's this style. It's pretty much a 2-in-1. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, comment below, share with a friend. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.